In this video, I will show you how to add files to a lesson in the Academy. Adding files allows you to change your learning content with a useful resource such as instructions, presentation, checklists, and other documents that helps learners better understand the topic. To add a PDF file, open the desired lesson, click the plus button, and choose Insert PDF. Then, choose a file from your device and click Upload. The PDF file will then appear in the lesson. Make sure to save your changes by clicking Save. To add an all-enable file, open the lesson and click the plus button. Then select Insert File. Choose a file from your device, enter a title, and add a description so learners understand its content. Then click Upload. The file will then be able in the lesson and learners will be able to download it during the course. Don't forget to save your changes by clicking Save. If you need, you can edit a title and the description by clicking Edit. To delete the file, click the trash icon. I hope this helps and good luck with your Academy!